Hey everyone, it's me Megs and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how I cut layers and did some soft romantic curls. Okay, and this unit that I'm wearing is by WowAfrican. This is actually my first time using WowAfrican, and this is the slip that my wig came in. My package was very well protected with the commute coming here. It did also come with a comb that I really love. I love these combs with the and pointy end. And since my wig cap is a little light, I am going to put on some foundation, a little darker than my natural complexion, so it worked perfectly. So this wig is their 360 lace wig, and this is 180 density, and it is their silky straight Brazilian virgin hair. So it is a 360 lace, so you can wear this unit up or down, and it does come with elastic bands that are adjustable, which is really bomb. It's really sturdy as far as, you know, the construction of this wig, and it also does come with 3 combs, so 2 in the front and 1 in the back. And I noticed that the combs for the second adjustable straps in the back have these hooks on it, so that was really nice and secure. When putting my wig on, I felt like I had that extra security, and this wig is so bomb. It's nice and thick. I did wash and condition it, and I didn't receive any, you know, shedding or anything. So the knots are bleached. They're pre-bleached, and it does have a really nice pre-plucked hairline that you can see here. And I really appreciate that the knots weren't over bleached, so it doesn't look orange or anything. It just worked out really well. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off because now I feel comfortable and, you know, knowing that this wig is gonna work out for me. So this length is 22 inches, so I can leave it like this, which I absolutely would leave it like this and just flat iron it bone straight because the color is so pretty and the lace looks so good. You can just, you know, wear it like that. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some layers into this wig because I want to wear curls, and I haven't worn curls in a really long time. I have enough straight wigs, so I wanted to pop some curls in this to see how the hair holds up. So let's go ahead and get into these layers. I sectioned off the front half of my hair and working on that first. So I just start with some shears, work my way up from the top, and kind of do small scissoring motions to get that layer in the front half of my hair. So this is probably the easiest way that I know how to do layers. I just do them in sections and take my time. So it mainly depends how long you want your layers. Do you want long layers? Do you want choppy layers? I'm probably gonna go somewhere in the middle with layers. So I'm gonna section off another section in the front, part down the bottom half here, and I'm actually parting everything in diagonal motions, okay, to make sure that how many layers I want to put in the front. So I'm going to put about 5 layers in the front. So I'm just going to take the top, cut a layer, take my shears, and just do my little scissoring motion. And make sure you don't blunt cut your layers if you don't have a razor. I don't have a razor, so I just did my layers like this and it worked out. So I just want to make sure that I have layers all throughout the hair, because, you know, I just feel like curls look way better when you have a little layer in there. So I will say that your layers don't have to be absolutely perfect, because I'm by no means a professional stylist or anything. So I just been doing my layers like this for years. So yeah, I'm just gonna do the same thing within each section. I tend to start out with the top in the front half, because I tend to focus mainly on how the layers are gonna fall with the curls in the front of my face. The back I don't really care about, because, you know, it's the back of your head. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish off the rest of my hair and repeat the same sections, but for the back I actually do start off with the bottom first. So I kind of cut at the bottom, and then I cut a little bit above where I last cut. See, as you can see, it's a little higher up on the length, and then the next section is going to be higher up. So yeah, it's just super easy. So this wig was 22 inches. When I got done with layering this, I think it was probably around 20 to 18 inches, which is still fairly long because I am only 4'11", so, you know, 18 inches still looks quite long on me. So yeah, I actually like putting these layers in because it actually changed the look of the wig and the length. So of course, if you have a wig that's a little too long, you can add some layers or just cut it yourself. But as you can see, I really love that it's silky straight. So if you did want to leave it like this, it would be a very low maintenance wig. So I'm thinking about, even though I did put layers in it, I will be wearing this hair straight because I really like how it looks a bit more natural with shape in it. And it does have a fuller kind of appearance even with it straight like that. So super cute already. Like I'm already like really feeling this. So we are gonna go ahead and curl this wig. This is an old iron, you guys. It is my Hot Tools iron that I've been using for almost 7 years now, and the inch of this will be down in the description. So it is time to curl. I do have the temperature up to 450 when it comes to this iron, and I am gonna use some of my favorite hairspray. So of course I always section off my hair. I do the front of my hair last when I'm curling my hair, and we're actually gonna curl my hair in the sections that I layered it in. So I start at the bottom when curling my hair, and I'm going to use this, what brand is this? OGX Humidity Block Hairspray, and it smells really good. So I'm gonna take my iron and I actually curl the one side of my hair going back and the other side of my hair going the opposite direction. So I tend to curl away from my face, if that helps you guys out. Curl away from my face, and then you have that kind of like, you know, wave action. You don't want churchy, crunchy curls. So I spray each section with hairspray, curl the hair going backward, start at the top, and I kind of like just twist it. It almost looks like I know how to use Marcel's, but no. The clamp on this curling iron is getting a little weak, so I have to twist it a little like this. But I tend to like larger curls when it comes to wearing curls like this, because when it falls, it gives you a really nice effortless look. So we are on the other side here, so you can see I curled this side going the opposite way, away from my face. So I'm taking small sections, and I'm also parting the sections at a diagonal, so the waves will fall a certain way. And I promise you, I'm not in a bad mood in this video. I'm just concentrating really hard because I want to make sure I get my curls popping. So I apologize if my face looks sad. No, that's how I look when I'm curling my hair, because the iron's hot. You gotta focus. So now that we're at the front of the hair, and we're gonna do the same thing. Curl everything going backwards. So as you can see, the layers are actually starting to pop in here, and the shine of this hair is absolutely gorgeous. It feels so good, and I'm surprised that the curl is holding pretty well actually. Even though this is a silky straight unit, it does hold curl really nice. So this is how it's looking soon after I am completed with the curls, and it looks cute like this, but of course I'm gonna finger through it. The lace is laying very nicely. I did not apply any glue, so I did go completely glueless. And this is how the curls are looking. I really like curls that look like this, that don't look too uniform. I kind of like that Hollywood style where it's not like, you know, so defined, but it's like giving you softness, you know, curl action. So I'm just gonna comb this out, and I'm gonna let the curls fall just a little bit, and this is how the hair looked. I really love this kind of soft, wavy, not really beachy look, but it's definitely like a romantic curls type of vibe that it's giving me, and I absolutely love it, girl. It's just so pretty. The color is gorgeous, and I really like that I was able to achieve some really nice soft curls with this. So if you guys do have any questions, feel free to ask me. I do have a coupon code down in the description for you guys to check out. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.